Good morning, friends. Today we are at my aunt's house and we are getting ready to make tamales. So stay tuned. We're in for a lot of fun. We are going to start by whipping the lard. I have found that doing this saves a great deal of time when you're incorporating it into the masa rather than having to knead it by hand. It saves time and a lot of pain on the shoulders as you get older. Okay, you see how it's nice and fluffy and it's almost doubled in volume? This is what you want to see when you're using this method. Now you want to start adding the maseca 1 cup at a time, and you will alternate adding the liquid, whether it be water, chicken broth, beef broth, pork broth, whatever broth that you have left over from your filling. You want to start incorporating that alternatively while you're bringing your masa together. Now, during this process, you want to add 1 tablespoon of salt and then continue to add a 1/2 cup of water until you get it to the consistency that it spreads like butter. Once it's at the desired consistency, you will add 1/4 cup of the red chili sauce, and I will have that recipe down in the description. This is the consistency you want to see. To test it, take a little bit of the masa, roll it up into a little ball, drop it into a glass of water, and if it floats, then it's ready. I'm sorry I didn't record this part. I forgot. Okay, we have the family making the tamales in an assembly line. We have Lucy and Diego and my Aunt Margie and Amir. I am so sorry! My Aunt Gloria!
Thanks a lot.
My beautiful Aunt Gloria, Amir and Heather.
Margie says, I'm a babe.
Look how easy that is. Now it's time to cook. You want to stack your tamales standing upright and fill the pot. It's a steamer pot, and you're going to steam them for an hour until they're done. And you can tell that they're done when you start to peel back the corn husk and it'll separate from the masa. It usually takes an hour, 20 minutes at the longest. Once the pot is full, cover with a wet towel and start the steaming process. And here you have it. The first batch is done. Okay, it's time for the taste test. So good. Nothing beats the family recipe.